Welcome to my channel. I want to explain you how is to grown up and to make more the flowers, parrot flowers, just with cutting. It's easy and simple. It's very nice. If you see, just exactly same the flowers, same the parrot. I bring it from Japanese. The flowers bring it from Japanese. I was holiday and take this one. I bought there and bring it here. And now it's all the time to carry on to make more with my friends and everyone. It's easy. It's go long nearly 1 meter. And flowers, small one, the big one, just the flowers go straight away. Just see like that. The first I want to cut it. The second I want to explain you step by step. Thank you. Yeah, just for every flower, just carry on. You see now is the, you see this one is the big one. I have the flowers to start and this one to carry on now. Yeah, you see small and just carry on. And the small one is exactly this one. I have many flowers, or just same the parrot. Welcome to my channel. Now I want to cut the leaves, 2 sticks from this one. Yes, you see this one is 2, and it's simple. If you cut it like that, take the 1 glass of water and put it in the water. Glass 1 water and put it in the water. After this one is nearly for 7-8 days, this one you put in the water. It's simple to carry on and give it the root. You see the root? Yeah. Or you want to keep it in the water and just carry on in the water and grown up in the water, or just you want to put it in a compost. Yes, put it in a compost. If you want to put it in a compost, it's easy and same like that. You see the small one is 1 week ago I put in and carry on the flowers, parrot flowers. Yes, same the parrot. It's very nice and very so beautiful if you see, and grown up very easy. Not too much water, nothing. Just every 1 times a week, nearly 1 times a week, maybe 1 centimeter of water. Just see this one and put in 1 and put in the 2. Me, I'm putting all them is 1 pot. Yes, it's simple and putting some water in the top. Yes. Putting some like that. Yeah, you see? I'm putting 2 or 3 stones white to look nice, and yes, it's exactly right. This one is ready and just carry on and grown up very quick. Or just you want to use water and take all the sticks and everything. I cutting the flowers I cut, put in here in the water, put in some stones, or just little bit is short. This one is too long. Yeah, it's cutting this one. Yeah. And this one. this population now for everyone. Yeah, just leave it like that. Yes, is the water, a little bit more water, and this one, and it's simple, and leave it in a table. And after, yeah, it's a little bit longer, this one, or you just this one is more big. Yes, this look nice in the table. And after 10 days all the flowers go around and grown up. Is same, exactly same, is same the grown with the compost or water or everything. It's simple. If you like my video, please share. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. It's exactly this parrot flowers is grow nearly 1 meters. You see this, how big is? Yeah. Just take this one. See how big is? Nearly 1 meters, no more bigger, just nearly 1 meters. And see the nice flowers and everything. The leaves and the flowers is very, very nice. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please share. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. And see you next time for different things. Thank you.